All right, Manib. Hey, I just want to give you a little bit of feedback on these properties that we're looking at. So we we're going to need to be super aggressive in this market. So this last one I looked at kind of wrapped it up for me as far as what we need to do when we're trying to make a decision on comps. So I went through these. Most of them I agreed on. The other ones I went higher on the ARV. So I know in the past I was always more conservative, but here moving forward, I really want to be more aggressive. So this is what I'm talking about here. So this last property that we looked at here, I'll just pull it up here real fast. Is this 3300 Second Avenue? They have a list price of 414. You came back in an ARV of 550. And so when I'm looking at this property, here are our comps, and we've got, here's our property right here. We've got this 576, and they're all basically in the same square footage. I mean, same things that we always do. So square footage range, um, the closed 180 days. We're not going to go back 360 anymore. Comps past 180 days are just not even worth looking at this point. In fact, if you're not quite sure, we need to start really shortening up that time frame. So I would encourage you to use 180 days or 0 to 90 days. So let me show you what that does to our comps here. So we have both of those comps in there right there. So let me pull this up. So we have this 576 here, and then you had your other comp over here at 550, which is the one you used. And if you're kind of trying to figure out which one to use, this is what I would do. I would take a look at when it was sold. Strangely enough, our market is moving so quickly that month over month, these properties are going up, you know, 10, 15, $20,000, and this is a great example of what's going on here. So this one sold this month at 576, and last month a similar fixed up house, similar square footage, sold at 550. So this closed in February, the other one closed in April. So you can see how quickly the pricing is moving up. So uh, this is what I'm leaning towards doing is we would use this higher comp. So instead of you use 550, I would definitely use this 576. All right. So 576, that puts us well over what they're asking. Okay, so I can sell that in this market. So this is worth a phone call to this individual, which is I'm going to make, and set up a showing and see if we can chase this down. I'm not sure why it's still on the market. So just taking a quick look at it. Yeah, so it's nothing. Maybe the basement, is it? There's square footage in the basement. So that square footage not usable. So our actual square footage, so that makes it a little different, but I'll take a closer look at it. But anyways, that kind of wraps it up for you. So definitely use the most recent comps because our pricing is going up so quickly.